Hi everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw some peas in a pack. You eat peas? You have to cook them, some don't. Sometimes you don't. You can eat them uncooked. I eat peas. Sometimes we cook, sometimes we don't cook. First, do a line like this. Now, draw a line like this. And to this one, draw a line like this. A curve. You keep on going on top of them. Now draw a line like this. Now this line, connect it like this. Now draw a line like this. Now draw a line like this. Now draw more. There. Now here, draw a line like this. This, I think, will be easy to color. Now draw a line like this. Now draw a line like this. Okay. Next, from here, draw a line like this. Now another one like this. Now from here, draw a line like this. Now a line like this. Now draw a line like this. Looks like a heart, but it's not. And now from here, draw another one like that. Now a line like this. And draw a line like this. And draw another leaf. And draw patterns. Now draw a line like this. And another one like this. Now a line like this. And the back one. Now draw the pattern in that leaf. We're done. It's time to color. Now, we'll color this part and this part green and the branch brown. It's easy. I drew birds on these peas. They're starting to eat peas. All right. done. Now, if you want to decorate, go ahead, because I decorated. I put a bird on the peas. You can put an animal too eating it. We're done now. I'll tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was peas in a cover. There were 5 peas. Those 5 peas were so excited to go outside. One eyes were hurt. The others was sleepy. The other said, "Oh, can I go to bed?" Which one was sleepy? And the others were happy. And they finally got outside. And they slided down that branch. And then a boy picked them up. And there was a toy like that toy that you can put something and then you can do it with your hands. Just like if you have a small ball, like a wrapper or something like that, you can make it to a ball and put it on your finger and then put your finger back and then it will bounce off that toy. That he had the toy in his hand. He shooted the peas and they got out of the earth. They were in the moon, flying. Just kidding. There wasn't gravity there, so they were just in space. The end. Bye!